Welcome to another exciting episode of TRwalks. In this episode, we'll take you on a virtual journey through the vibrant and picturesque Toronto Harbourfront area, highlighting the top 5 free activities and attractions you can enjoy. So, let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is the renowned Harbourfront Centre. This cultural hub is a bustling hotspot that offers a wide range of free events and activities throughout the year. From live concerts and dance performances to captivating art exhibitions, the Harbourfront Centre never fails to entertain visitors of all ages. Be sure to check their website for the latest schedule of free events, as you wouldn't want to miss out on the incredible cultural experiences this place has to offer. Next up, we have the breathtaking Harbourfront Promenade and Parks. Take a leisurely stroll along the waterfront, embracing the refreshing breeze and spectacular views of Lake Ontario. The Harbourfront Promenade stretches for kilometers, inviting you to immerse yourself in the scenic beauty of the area. Along the way, you'll discover various lakeside parks, perfect for picnics, relaxation, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment amidst nature. HTO Park and the Toronto Music Garden are two popular spots that showcase the harmonious blend of green spaces and waterfront charm. Seeking a bit of adventure? Look no further than the Harbourfront Canoe and Kayak Centre. While rentals typically require a fee, keep an eye out for their occasional free introductory paddling sessions or special events. It's a fantastic opportunity to dip your paddle into the pristine waters of Lake Ontario and embrace the thrill of kayaking or canoeing. So, grab your life jacket, explore the breathtaking shoreline, and create unforgettable memories on the water. If you happen to visit during the winter months, make sure to check out the Harbourfront Skating Rink. This magical ice skating rink, located at the Natural Pond, offers a picturesque setting for a day of frosty fun. Lace up your skates and glide across the ice as you enjoy the beautiful waterfront scenery. While skate rentals are available for a fee, admission to the rink is absolutely free. So, grab your warmest winter gear and get ready to experience the joy of gliding on ice surrounded by the enchanting Toronto Harbourfront. Last but certainly not least, we have the enchanting Toronto Music Garden. Inspired by Bach's Suite No. 1 in G major, this intricately designed park combines music, nature, and tranquility. Meander along the winding paths, explore the various themed sections, and revel in the serenity that surrounds you. During the summer, the Toronto Music Garden hosts free concerts where talented musicians bring the melodies of Bach's Suite to life. It's an extraordinary experience that truly captivates the senses and creates an ambience of pure bliss. And that concludes our journey through Toronto's Harbourfront, featuring the top 5 free things to do in this remarkable area. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour and feel inspired to explore the wonders of the Toronto Harbourfront on your own. Join us next time as we embark on another exciting adventure, discovering the hidden gems and unique experiences that await. You can now purchase TRwalks products and give a thanks donation to the channel if you wish to help us create more videos like this. Also, like and subscribe is always free. Happy exploring!